Hello guys, this is Kajal Khatri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a video about brief on processing. So let me start by saying that processing is a versatile programming language and environment primarily geared towards visual arts and design. It's widely used for creating interactive installations, generative art, data visualization, and educational purposes. It's like a digital canvas where you can write code to generate images, animations, and interactive experiences. With processing, you can create anything from simple drawings to complex data visualizations or even interactive installations. After installation, open the processing IDE. It will look somewhat like this. Let me explain you about the IDE. Here is the IDE. It consists of three main sections. The editor, this is where you write your code. The toolbar, it contains buttons for common actions like running your sketch and stopping it. The console, this area displays any error messages or output from your sketch. In the editor, you'll see two default functions, setup and draw. Setup is where you initialize your sketch, and draw is where you put code that you want to run repeatedly, like animations. Let's start with a simple command like ellipse to draw a circle. For example, let me write void setup. I'll write void setup here, and I'll complete this setup function. Let me write the size. This is to set the size of the canvas. Let's jump to another default function called draw. Let me also fill this up. I'll have background to set the background color to white. I'll have the ellipse to draw a circle at position with a diameter of 100 pixels. That's it guys. To run your sketch, click the play button in the toolbar. Here. It will show you a new window pop up with a white background and a circle in the center like this. So this is how you draw a circle using processing. You can also see other examples here in initial setup. For example, like flocking. Let's test flocking. This is a flocking by Daniel Schiffman. It has a default functions setup and draw, as well as an additional function called mouse pressed. Let's run this and check what happens to see when I hit the run button. It has initial set of voids flocking around. When I click the mouse, let's see what happens. When I click the mouse, here it adds a new void into the system, like this. This is wonderful. By following these steps, you can quickly start coding and processing and begin exploring the creative possibilities of visual programming. Thank you for watching my tutorial. See you in my next video.